Sample C, the ultimate test. Pete, the owner of Cornerstone Music here in Claremont. Get started here, I'm going to take a minute and have a look. They have completely revamped the inside of the store. It is a lot. Pete, you did a good job.
Well, thank you.
This is a lot more spacious. For those who have not seen the store previously, there used to be, the counter was over here. It was a little bit claustrophobic.
A little bit.
Right? And now the counter's over there. Wow, this is a good look. I like it. There'll be a place for you to put my amplifiers now that I repair.
There absolutely will be.
Outstanding. We could put them up front here, just like with this Silvertone sitting we're about to demonstrate.
That's the plan. I'm going to put your name all over them.
Appreciate it. And the amp set up here in the store for Pete to give his test and approval of the performance of the amplifier. Pete has a history of being brutally honest, which is why I bring my amps to him for testing.
Ew.
Let me get it warmed up. I'll put it in standby. Okay, so here we go. Knock this out of standby. I got you 50% on everything.
How much can the speakers handle, Jordan?
They probably do okay. Let's see what we could get them up to. Don't blow them up, but.
I think it wants a Strat. Sounds great with single coils. Great. Yeah, that's nice. Sounds really good with the Strat.
You want to hear channel 2 with the distortion and what have you?
Sure. So I think this amp would sound best. Not even turned up more to get the overdrive, but right there it's kind of, it's just there. And this is where I would put an overdrive pedal in front of it, and I wouldn't put much on it. It would sound great.
Tremolo time. Speed is right.
Tremolo sounds really good and deep. I wouldn't mind it being able to go a little slower though.
I could get a little slower. I'll tell you about that later.
I like it. That second channel is where it's at. That's good.
The reverb tank is like, it's tiny, so it's not like, it's not what you're going to get from your Fender. But the reverb tank is strange that it works with the volume down. It's its own channel. Just give it a click to turn it on.
Yeah, that's pretty weird.
I'm not overly impressed with the reverb on this. But if you turn the volume all the way down and the reverb up, you can hear the reverb in a separate channel. All the way down, all the way, now turn the reverb all the way up.
Oh, that's really weird. Weird.
That's how they designed it. That's actually... I'll tell you what, there's a limit limitation that they actually call out in the manual. The way the reverb is set up, they really want you to have the amplifier like 20 feet away from the speaker cabinet. It's bouncing off of the wall here and coming right back, and it's resonating against this, and that sort of whistle that you're getting like that is actually feedback into the reverb circuit. So you want this amplifier ideally off to the side here when you're running reverb, and it's called out specifically, and that little artifact is actually normal for this amplifier.
Wild. Wild. Yeah, it doesn't look like the same amp when you took it. That's for sure.
So do I have the official Pete seal of approval on this restoration?
You absolutely do. That's pretty amazing.
Oh yeah, did you see the back of the cabinet, all the fabric work?
Oh, I do now.
The sides, the fabric on the sides?
Yeah. That's cool.
Original speakers, redone, everything. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Sears Silvertone 1483 as conducted by our friend Pete here at Cornerstone Music in Claremont. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.